10 lucrative side gigs that any nursing student can actually do. And the good thing is that these side gigs are not those ones that will distract you from your education, because we all know that most nursing students are already overwhelmed and do not need things that will actually distract or overwhelm them the more. So number one on my list is starting a review channel. Now, for nursing students, you can actually start a review channel reviewing medtechs like tools, apps, softwares that are used in the medical or health sector, right? Health products and pharmaceutical gears and equipment as well. As your channel keep growing, you start getting sponsorships, endorsements and other kind of deals. Brands will approach you, to review their tools, their equipment, to review their products either on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, anywhere at all that you'll be able to monetize is a very good idea. Number two is affiliate marketing. As a nursing student, you actually do not need something that will overwhelm you. You just need something that you'll be earning on the soft, and that is why affiliate marketing is the best fit for you. Affiliate marketing do not require you to stock the items. All you have to do is promote products with your link, and once any sale is being made, you will be paid your own commission. And this is very easy for you to do as a nursing student, because there are a lot of pharmaceutical gears and tools, there are a lot of health products, a lot of medical technologies that you can actually promote and make money from. And if you're very consistent in this affiliate marketing, you will definitely be making your 6 figures monthly. If you're looking for a side hustle that will give you money, that will not clash with your studies, that will not overwhelm you, something that you'll be doing on the soft without anyone even knowing, then consider going into affiliate marketing. Number 3 is to become a medical writer. So for this particular gig, we already know that writing pays a lot of money to certain people that have been consistent in it, and that is why you as a nursing student, when you start this and you show consistency, on the long run you definitely make success in this. Now, medical writing is something that you can actually do as a nursing student, and aside from the fact that it pays you well, it also improves you, because the more you write, the more you learn. Do you get? Once you start writing, you also become very good at researching, and this is where you learn a lot. So as you're also writing for blogs, for medical and health brands, you are also learning a lot of things. If you're looking for a side hustle that will make a lot of money, that will not clash with your time, that will not overwhelm you, then consider becoming a medical writer. Number 4 on the list is to become a research assistant. So as a research assistant, you help professionals, brands, business owners to do researches that are related to your niche. Number 5 on my list is to become a community moderator. Right? A community moderator is someone that manages a community of a brand, business. There are a lot of medical brands, business owners that are in the medical and health niches that are in need of community moderators. So being a community moderator, you do not really need to do much. All you have to do is you make sure that you coordinate, organize, resolving issues and all of that in the community. Do you get? For instance, maybe you're a community moderator to a brand that has their community built on Slack or Discord or WhatsApp. Do you understand? So you can actually be a moderator in one of these communities and help them to handle the community. Number 6 on the list is to become a social media manager. So for this particular one, we can see that even people that are not nursing students are actually offering this service to brands and businesses. And as a nursing student, you are also very eligible and also in the best position to offer social media management service to medical brands, to health brands, even to beauty brands, especially the med spas. There are a lot of med spas that are specifically looking for people with medical knowledge or background to manage their social media platforms. As a nursing student, you can offer social media management service to med spas. You can offer it to health professionals, you can offer it to brand business owners. So this is a perfect side hustle for nursing students that are looking for extra ways to make income. So number 7 on my list is to sell digital products. There are a lot of digital products that you can actually sell in your niche: flashcards, workbooks, journals, and a lot. Do you get? And these digital products are things that you can actually create or design using simple platforms like Canva. Do you get? So you don't really need to do so much, and with the help of AI currently, it is even more easier for you to be able to design and create these things without any stress. So number 8 on the list is to write courses or ebooks. Nursing can be a lot to handle, right? So as a nursing student that have been through these things or that are currently going through these things, so you can decide to write courses or ebooks that can help those people that are interested in enrolling into the nursing school. Writing ebooks on how to pass your nursing exams, how to survive in the nursing school and all sorts, can actually be a good sellout. So number 9 on the list is to become a UGC or micro influencer for medical and health brands. You'll be getting a lot of brand deals, endorsements and all, right? Apart from the PRs that you'll be receiving. So as a UGC or micro influencer, what you do is you help brands to demonstrate their products to their audience. Do you get? And now you as a nurse, you are doing this thing, demonstrating it with your own knowledge. Do you understand? And that makes it very, very easy to relate and understand the content, right? So if you're looking for a side hustle as a nursing student, then consider going into UGC or becoming a micro influencer. The last on the list, that is number 10, is to start a nursing podcast. So as a nursing student that is looking for a side hustle, starting a nursing podcast can be a very good idea for you to generate more income from. And this is something that you can actually do from the comfort of your home or hostel. Do you get? Starting a podcast, you really do not need all of those equipment. If you go online, you're going to get smaller podcast kits that you can actually start with. So in order not to get scared or discouraged, because you might be feeling that you need all those instruments that you see in podcast studio, and in this podcast you talk about everything in your profession, right? And trust me, there are a lot of people that want to ask questions and know everything about nursing as a profession. So guys, these are the 10 side hustles that you can actually do as a nursing student. So let me know in the comment section which of them you think is the best fit for you. See you in my next video, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.